5 powerful financial management tools. Running a small business is no small feat between managing your team, serving customers, and trying to grow. Who has time to track every dollar coming in and out? Yet, managing your finances is crucial to success. From tracking expenses and sending invoices to forecasting cash flow and creating a budget, financial clarity gives you the confidence to scale smartly and sustainably. The good news? You don't need to be a financial wizard. With the right tools, even the busiest entrepreneur can stay on top of their money.
In this video, we'll cover 5 powerful financial management tools that can help small business owners like you simplify, organize, and master your finances. Let's dive in. 1. QuickBooks, the gold standard for small business accounting. Let's start with a name you've probably heard before, QuickBooks. This is one of the most trusted accounting software tools in the world, and for good reason. So, what does QuickBooks actually do? In a nutshell, it helps you manage everything: income, expenses, payroll, taxes, and even inventory. Whether you're a solo freelancer or managing a small team, QuickBooks gives you a real-time overview of your business health. Key features include invoicing clients and tracking payments, auto-categorizing expenses, linking bank accounts and credit cards, financial reports with a click, tax estimates and prep tools. Real-world example. Take Sarah, who runs a small design studio. She uses QuickBooks to send branded invoices, track who owes what, and auto-generate tax-ready reports. No more late nights with spreadsheets. Why it stands out? QuickBooks integrates with hundreds of apps, supports payroll, and has mobile access, making it ideal for growing businesses that want one system to handle it all. 2. Wave, the best free option for solopreneurs. On a tight budget? Meet Wave, a totally free financial tool that punches way above its weight. Wave is designed for freelancers, consultants, and very small businesses that want pro-level features without the monthly fee. What does it do? Wave offers a full suite of accounting tools, from invoicing and expense tracking to basic reporting and receipt scanning. Top features include unlimited customizable invoices, expense tracking with Bank Sync, mobile app for receipts, basic financial statements, free accounting dashboard. Real-world example. David, a freelance photographer, uses Wave to send quotes, bill clients, and track all income and spending without paying a dime. Why it stands out? It's 100% free for its core features. You only pay if you want to add payroll or payment processing. Perfect for solo entrepreneurs just getting started. 3. FreshBooks, designed for service-based businesses. If you run a service-based business, like coaching, consulting, or creative work, FreshBooks might be your perfect fit. Because it combines accounting with client management, time tracking, and even proposals. Here's what FreshBooks brings to the table. Easy-to-use invoicing, time tracking for projects, proposals and estimates, expense tracking, automated reminders for late payments. Real-world example. Emily, who runs a boutique marketing agency, uses FreshBooks to track billable hours, send proposals, and invoice clients, all from one place. Why it stands out? It's simple, intuitive, and built for service pros. Plus, it integrates with tools like G Suite, Stripe, and Trello, helping streamline your entire workflow. 4. Zoho Books, a budget-friendly, all-in-one solution. Need a powerful but affordable accounting tool? Check out Zoho Books, a rising favorite among small business owners. Part of the larger Zoho ecosystem, Zoho Books offers robust financial management features at a fraction of the cost of other tools. What can it do? Manage sales and purchase orders, automate payment reminders, connect bank accounts, generate financial statements, run project and time tracking. Real-world example. A boutique e-commerce store owner uses Zoho Books to handle everything from order tracking to reconciling payments, saving time and money. Why it stands out? Zoho Books offers automation features usually found in high-end platforms, and it integrates smoothly with Zoho's CRM, inventory, and email tools. It's great for small businesses planning to scale. 5. Xero, beautiful accounting for modern entrepreneurs. Last but not least, meet Xero, the accounting software that combines clean design with serious power. Loved by tech-savvy entrepreneurs, Xero makes managing money feel intuitive, even fun. Here's what makes Xero shine: real-time bank feeds, mobile-first design, inventory management, multi-currency support, deep integrations with 1000+ apps. Real-world example: Alex, who runs a growing digital agency, uses Xero to track cash flow, manage team expenses, and pull visual reports for investor meetings. Why it stands out? Xero's interface is visually stunning and super easy to use. It's great for small businesses that value both function and form and want to stay agile in today's digital world. Conclusion: managing your finances doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right tool, you can go from chaos to clarity and build your business on a rock-solid foundation. Whether you're just starting out or scaling up, these 5 tools, QuickBooks, Wave, FreshBooks, Zoho Books, and Xero, offer something for everyone. Think about your business needs, your budget, and your preferred workflow, and pick the one that works best for you. Remember, the more control you have over your money, the more freedom you have to grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite financial tool or the one you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and here's to your business success.